Welcome back to Rob's workshop. So for those of you who watched the first vlog I done when I tidied up this garage workshop, while I was cleaning it up I found evidence of rodents. There was a few rat droppings, there was a few mouse droppings, and there was an old disused mouse nest as well. So when we bought the house, there was actually no garage door on it, so obviously things were coming in and out all the time, and the little cupboard at the back that was already there, so they were living in there, that's where the nest was. So I fitted a new garage door, but because the floor's not level, there's a gap under one side, so I'm assuming that's where the mice are getting in, maybe even a rat, so I want to stop that. So on Amazon, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below to what this is. So it's a Draught excluder for a garage door, but I'm hoping it'll keep the rodents out. So you get 3 aluminium strips which just screw to the garage door. So I'll give you a close up of that. Okay, so that's the kind of section it is, and then there's just screw holes there. And then in the track you slide this rubber piece in. So I'm assuming it'll be a fairly straightforward job. Okay, so now that I've got the track screwed onto the door, I can put the rubber seal in now. So that just slides in from one end. Okay, so now I just need to decide where I want to cut it, and then I can just cut this end with a Stanley knife. That cut really easily. So now I've just got to cut it to the level of the floor, which may be a little bit tricky. So I've trimmed it all into fit now, and I thought I filmed it, but stupid me, I forgot to press record on the camera, so you've missed that little bit. But it did cut really easy with just a Stanley knife, and as you can see the concrete is very out of level, so I've had to cut a lot off the left hand side and a little bit off the right hand side, but it's a nice neat fit to the floor now. So hopefully that should keep the rats out of here and some of the drafts as well. If you've seen any of the tools I'm using that you like, I've got an Amazon affiliate shop, so if you shop through there I make a little bit of commission, which is always helpful. I really appreciate that, and go check out our website as well, also a link in the description below. So if you like the video, hit the like button and also subscribe. So I'll see you next time.